So everybody, welcome to the channel. Beyblade Bus Turbo Slingshot Kerbeus and Blast Garner G4 and Kerbeus K4 unboxing. This is how I look at the front view. This is my third one. Second one is free thing Hoya. It's a little bit real up top. So this is how it look like. At the back, Blast Ghana G4 is a tech type. It's got 9 attack, 2 bust, 4 defense, 3 weights, 3 agility, 3 staminas, and have the tip for make it go faster, the slingshot mode. Now here you go, kerbeus K4 stamina type. I thought a defense type, but they put stamina for, I don't know.
Oh, bro. Sorry.
Here you go, the kerbeus tip, material metal, and bottom tip. So, kerbeus got no attack, but it got 1 bust, 4 defense, 7 weights, 3 GTs, and 5 staminas. It's not pretty bad. Now let's unbox it. First I'm gonna open kerbeus. Got $3 right here. Here go a code for you guys. All Beyblade guys you play. His metal material H. Pretty cool. Bottom tip. If you put it in right here, that's defense mode. If you put it right here, that's slingshot mode, attack. No. Stamina. Sorry, my bad, guys. Now how it looks like. Pretty cool. Kerbeus. Here you go, oh. Got my Blast Garner G4. Pretty cool color. We got the codes for you guys. Oop. You got his metal material. Hey, it look like a scabbous metal material. Don't it? Oh, why I keep dropping stuff?
Oh, it's a bit windy because, yes, we're outside.
I'll show you guys how you put it on.
Oh.
Here you go, guys. Oh, I forgot to show you guys. You're on the bottom and he's. Oops. There you go. The slingshot mode. And then you twist it left, push it back, and there you go. Attack mode. So here you go, guys. Now let's battle kerbeus and Ghana.
So now, I choose Blizzard.
I choose kerbeus.
Everybody knows the rules.
Let's get into it. Hope kerbeus not. Okay. Go slingshot mode.
3,
2, 1, let it
rip.
rip.
Ooh. Hard
Nice
hits right there.
hits on
Oh.
Blizzard, but it's not enough to knock out kerbeus
Nope.
on defense.
Survivor finish for kerbeus.
Now I went to slingshock mode. That's great.
3,
3, 2, 1, let
let
it rip. Blizzard not got enough stamina to get that attacks in.
Nope.
So another survival finish.
So now, going to slingshot mode.
You forgot. Alright. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Nice attacks from Blizzard. Not enough for
Nope.
Career to the win. 3 survival finish by
Mm.
Blizzard.
End result, rubber tip is not that good in battle.
Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Comment, like, subscribe, and always keep on hunting.